Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. If you are in Singapore, Binance.com is one of the best crypto exchanges for you to buy your Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, whichever coin that can maybe make you a millionaire. Not financial advice, yeah? But in early September, MAS decided to ban Binance because Binance didn't apply for a license to operate in Singapore. So in order to remain compliant with local regulations, Binance removed the SGD currency. This means that we can no longer fund SGD through peer-to-peer, and that makes us sad. So in this video, I'll tell you what is the best way to deposit money into Binance so that you can continue buying your favorite cryptos. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button because it will help out with the channel a lot. In return, I will show you a cute bird. Alright, let's start right now. A quick warning, as MAS has put Binance into the investor alert list, and because I'm not Doctor Strange, I do not know what will MAS do in the future. Maybe they will IP ban Binance, maybe they will not. So if you decide to continue using Binance, just be aware of the risk. My advice is, if you want to use Binance to buy your cryptos, don't leave your cryptos in there. Transfer it out to somewhere else like Hodlnaut or some DeFi to earn interest. Or if you want to keep your crypto safe, transfer it to a cold wallet like Ledger. Links down below if you are interested. So even though you can no longer use peer-to-peer to fund Binance with SGD, you still have other ways to fund your account like credit card, transfer crypto in, and recently they also added back USD bank transfers. Binance be like, nah, here are all the ways, now choose. Come on, I'm already having trouble choosing which meat and veggie to eat at the Cai Fan store. Now, Binance still wants me to choose the best way to fund the account? So I will now compare all the methods to find out which is the best way to fund Binance. But if you only want to just see the step-by-step guide, I'll leave the timestamp down below so that you can just jump straight to it and don't have to waste your time watching me talk until saliva also dry. But otherwise, let's continue on. For fairness, I will start out with 1000 SGD and will compare which method will give me the most BUSD in Binance. There's a few reasons for using BUSD. First, BUSD is a stable coin, which means that it will always be 1 BUSD to 1 USD. Or other cryptos be like, today I happy go 60k USD, tomorrow I happy 30k USD. By holding BUSD, you will be immune to market fluctuations. Second, BUSD has one of the most common currency pairs in Binance. With BUSD, you can directly convert to any cryptos in Binance. But let's say if you use Binance Coin or BNB, you only have very limited coins that you can convert to. For example, you can't get Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin with BNB. Of course, not everyone wants to hold BUSD. Maybe you just want to fund your account to buy Bitcoin. In that case, the comparison result would be very different. So just keep that in mind, yeah? First, using credit card to fund your account. This method is one of the easiest, but you will lose a ton of money with this method because there's a godlike 2% fee. So with this, I'm not even going to consider using a credit card. Second, what about using TransferWise or Revolut to do a bank transfer? Both of them have very good exchange rate and the fee is only like 0.5%. Good, right? Well, yes, but no. If you check Binance FAQ, they explicitly say that they do not support Revolut and TransferWise. So, too bad, TransferWise and Revolut are out. The next method is transferring crypto over to Binance. The idea is you buy crypto on a more convenient platform like Binance SG, Gemini, CoinAco, Crypto.com, then transfer it over to Binance. Among all of the crypto exchanges where you can deposit SGD easily, Binance SG has one of the best exchange rate and fees. But Binance SG will not be allowing you to transfer crypto to Binance. So, my second choice would be Gemini. Because even though they have a slightly worse rate than Binance, they have 10 free withdrawals every month. I compared a few popular coins and at the time of comparison, I found that all of them gave very similar rates on Gemini. But then MAS might ask all the exchanges to stop transfers to Binance in the future, so we will have to see. The final method is to use bank transfer. Binance.com does not support SGD bank transfer, so you have to transfer USD in. The way to do that is to have a multi-currency account like DBS Multiplier. Because multi-currency accounts like DBS Multiplier will auto-convert your SGD into USD, then send it over to Binance. I'm using DBS, so let's check the rates at DBS. Right now, if you convert 1000 SGD, you will get about $737. Best of all, DBS does not charge you any fees for this. But the downside is that bank transfers will take about 1 to 4 business days to complete. So by the time your money has arrived, your Bitcoin might have gone up 1000% and you will be sad. Oh, and by the way, I recently discovered a way to get a better exchange rate. The trick is to make use of Tiger Brokers or Momo's good exchange rate. As of making this video, Tiger Brokers gives about $740 for every 1000 SGD, which is slightly better than DBS exchange rate. On top of that, there's no currency exchange fee. but it will take 3 to 5 business days for this extra step. 2 days for the USD conversion to settle because of T+2. Then another 1 to 3 business days for the transfer back to your bank account. So let's compare the results. If you buy cryptos from Gemini then transfer over, LTC, BCH or Link will give you a better rate. The benefit is the transfer will only take 10 to 30 minutes to complete. The downside is there's a 30k annual limit on S first. So at most, you can only buy 30k worth of cryptos every year, which shouldn't be a big problem unless you are some rich Saudi prince. Second, you can use bank transfer to send USD over. If you use DBS to convert and send over, you will get a slightly lower rate and you have to wait 1 to 4 business days for the transfer to complete. Or if you want a better rate, you can convert HUD to USD with Tiger Brokers or Mumu. Then use bank transfer to send USD over to Binance. But with this extra step, you will need extra 3 to 5 days to complete. Which you use is totally up to you. If you want the fastest method, use the transfer crypto method. But if you are buying a large amount of crypto and you want to save on exchange rate, then the bank transfer is the best. Okay, I will show you how to do both methods. Let's first start with transferring crypto over. In Gemini, at the top, click on transfer, withdraw from Gemini, choose your crypto. I'll try transferring BTC over. They will need you to enter an address. Head over to Binance, at the top, mouse over wallet, click Fiat and Spot, click deposit. Choose what crypto you want to transfer over. They will ask you to choose what network to use. You actually don't have to worry because if you use the wrong network, Gemini will let you know. If the network is correct, Gemini will let you continue. Enter the amount, then click Request Withdrawal. And tada! You have successfully transferred crypto from Binance SG to Binance.com. Very easy, huh? Next, I will show you how to deposit USD to Binance.com. The first step is to transfer HUD to Tiger Brokers. You can skip this step if you don't need the best rate. I will leave the timestamp down below so that you can jump straight to it. But otherwise, let's continue on. Head over to Tiger Brokers website. After you log in, click My Account, click Deposit, deposit with HUD. If you have DBS or POSB, use the direct deposit authorization because it's the fastest way. Otherwise, you will need to use the normal bank transfers. I'm using DBS, so I will use DDA. Here, you will need to add your bank account, then choose the account which you want to use. Type in the amount that you want to transfer in. Let's try $1 million. Just kidding, there's only a 200k payment limit, so I'll try $1,000 instead. Tick to confirm, then click deposit. Your money will arrive in about 5 to 30 minutes, so let's jump forward in time.
A few minutes later.
Okay, now your funds have arrived. Congratulations! The next step is to convert your SGD into USD. You will need to do this in Tiger Brokers desktop app or mobile app. I'll just show you how to do it in the desktop app. At the left side, click on Assets, then click on Currency Exchange. You want to convert HGD into USD. Enter in the amount, then click Start Exchange. Then click Exchange and enter your password to confirm. You will only be able to withdraw the USD after 2 business days because there's a T+2 settlement time. Okay, once your USD is ready to withdraw, transfer the money back into your DBS account. At the website, click My Account, Withdrawal, Withdraw USD. Then choose your bank account. Enter the withdrawal amount. Choose any withdrawal reason you want. It doesn't really matter. Notes is also optional. Then click Next. Your funds will arrive within 1 to 3 business days. The next step is to add Binance bank account info to your DBS account so that you can transfer money over. Head over to Binance. At the top left side, mouse over Buy Crypto. Make sure this is USD. Click Bank Deposit. Click Continue. Enter in the amount that you want to transfer over. Then Confirm. Enter your bank name and bank account number. Then Continue. Okay, let's go to DBS Bank and add in the Binance Bank info. Mouse over Transfer, click DBS Remit and Overseas Transfer. Then click New Recipient. Okay, for recipient's full name, head over to Binance to copy. Key Vision Development Limited. Paste it in. Then for country, choose United States. Currency is USD. Then for recipient's address, line 1, copy Office N22 Alpha Center. Paste it in. Line 2, Providence. Paste it in. Line 3, Mahe Seychelles. Paste it in. For recipient bank, click Other banks in United States. Click Find Swift Code. Look for Signature Bank. There's 3 Swift codes here. If we go over to Binance, it is SIG NUS 33 SSS. Head back to DBS, then choose the same thing. Go to Binance to copy the recipient's account number. Paste it in. Then tick to confirm the agreement that you never read. Click Next. Make sure everything is alright, then submit. Alright, the final step is to transfer your funds over. Mouse over Transfer, click DBS Remit and Overseas Transfer. Look for Key Vision Development, click Transfer. Choose your DBS multiplier account. Okay, you can choose either HUD or USD here. If you didn't convert your funds in Tiger Brokers just now, you can just choose HUD. DBS will help you to convert to USD. But if you converted your funds via Target Brokers or Moomoo, you can just choose USD. Make sure the USD amount here matches the USD amount that you entered in Binance just now. Next, this is the most important part. For payment details for recipient, head back to Binance, then copy reference code, paste it in. Remember, you must fill in this part. If you blur never fill, your money will get stuck somewhere and you will have a bad time. Once you are done, click confirm, then next. Make sure everything is correct, then submit. Now, you just have to wait. The money will arrive in 1 to 5 business days. Okay, that was the whole process of doing bank transfer to Binance. Hopefully, this video is useful to you. If you have any questions, you can let me know down in the comments below. And that's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.